friend of mine bought me some melons. Gotta cut them up real quick because they look like they may be getting ready to go bad. I am going to try to do a cantaloupe sorbet. So that's why you see the cookie trays over here, and that's why you see the wax paper. And there is my knife and my cutting board that I use. My famous, I love this knife. This will be in the description below, a link. So will my cutting boards. That will be in the description below too. So I'm gonna cut them up. Then we'll be back. Okay, I cut them all up. And then I took a cookie sheet, put a parchment paper, and put these in the freezer for 5 hours. Because it's so hot, they're starting to melt. So I got some frozen ones, but if you notice, it's starting to pick up that water because they are melting that quick. I made sure that none of them was touching when I put them in the freezer. Now it's time to put it in the blender. This is compared to 1 melon. In here, 4.5 cups of melon. So I'm gonna use 1 honeydew, let's say, to a 1/4 cup of honey. There's my honey right there. To 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of water. You could use coconut water if you choose. And I'm going to put them all in this blender. Okay, I'm rushing because it's hot, so this is melting. But now I'm pouring it in an airtight Tupperware container because I don't want it to pick up a metal taste. And I'm going to pour this in here, and I'm going to stir it. Move this aside. The blender I'm using came from my best friend for a gift. Now this should be a little bit more chunky, but it's melting because it's so hot because of the storm that's coming. And I am putting it in my Tupperware, which is a tight seal. A lot of people use a metal pan. I am using Tupperware because it's a seal tight. And I'm going to put this in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours. Then we're going to have some goodies. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.